Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for June 24 to 30, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. So let's see, Sagittarius, anong ganap sa inyo? June 24 to 30. June 24 to 34, Sagittarius. Okay, wow. Parang roller coaster ride to ah. So your overall energy or the bottom of the deck is the Eight of Wands. Kind of busy. It's going to be a busy week for you. Can be may mga travel opportunities, messages. Parang ang dami mo kailangan gawin. Yes, so there are times na parang hindi mo na alam kung anong unahin mo. You're kind of confused. I also see na merong mga taong, let's say, interesado sa'yo to get to know you. Pwedeng meron kang certain level of fame, no? Kilala ka, tapos gusto nila makapag-collab sa'yo. Or pwedeng yung iba sa inyo is you are attractive. Ayan. So maraming nagdi-DMs, nagsisend ng messages. But I feel like you are iniiwasan mo tong mga to. You are focused on what makes you happy. Oo. Parang I feel like meron kang mga iiwasang kausapin ngayong week na to. Maybe because you don't feel like talking to them. So your overall energy is the Four of Wands. This is a celebration. Maaring sa family merong kinasal or merong major event sa family ninyo na you are really happy, you are celebrating. Some of you pwedeng yung mga plans ninyo to lumipat ng bahay. Yan, ngayon na yung week na to mangyayari. Okay? You have the World card as your challenge. Merong mga bagay na kailangan ng matapos, no? Or parang this can be your work, your project na kailangan mo nang matapos, pero pwedeng na-challenge ka ngayon kung paano mo tatapusin yan dahil pwedeng kulang ka na sa oras or sa resources or sa manpower. Okay? But I feel like ngayong week na to, you will do something about it. Gagawa ka ng paraan. Gagawan mo to ng paraan. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng kung kayo ay may mga inaasikaso related abroad, that can be challenging. Pwedeng pagpapadala ng parcel, ng package, or kung may client kayo sa ibang bansa, pwedeng magkaroon ng aberya, misunderstanding sa transactions ninyo. But with the King of Swords, gagawin mo to ng paraan, okay, as an opportunity. I think para to sa yung lesson no? Na let's say sa pagbe-business, no? Kung meron kang business, syempre every day is an opportunity for you to be a better entrepreneur, no? Lahat 'yan lessons na iti-take mo para mas ma-improve mo yung sarili mo, yung business mo, yung trabaho mo. This can apply sa kahit saan, okay? May mga bagay kasi na pwedeng na-miss out mo or hindi mo naayos na asikaso na life's lesson sa'yo ngayon yan, na ayusin. And then, your blessing is the Nine of Cups. So, meron ditong wish fulfillment. Oo, may happiness. Ano tong wish fulfillment na to? Wow! So, some of you, Sagittarius, wish fulfillment in your career because this is, the 10th house is your career, your reputation, your business. So, pwedeng merong kang achievement rin sa trabaho, sa business, sa career mo ngayon. And you feel good about it. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayong incentive na magbakasyon. Oo. Merong trip for two to Boracay, mga ganyan. Okay. And then sa money, career, finances, nako. there's someone who's very competitive sa'yo sa work. Hindi lang sa work, sa business. Okay? Parang tinitingnan bawat kilos mo. Pwedeng merong tao na even parang gumagaya sa'yo, no, sa ginagawa mo. Kasi they see you as parang a threat, no? Parang malaking kompetensya. Okay? With a Five of Swords. So, maging maingat sa mga pagkakatiwalaan mo, ano, sa mga pakikisamahan mo sa work. Meron kasi dyan na parang laging pinagmamasdan yung kinikilos mo at hinihintay ka magkamali. Okay? So, maging maingat sa mga pakikisalamuha sa iba sa workplace. If you have a business, maaring parang ikaw yung trendsetter, ikaw yung hinihintay na parang, alam mo yung tipong ikaw yung magpapatrending ng isang bagay sa business and then gagayahin, ganun. Nakakainis yan, di ba? But, syempre, kung sila yung nanggagaya, ibig sabihin you are better than them kasi, they're copying you. But, yung iba naman, pwedeng meron kang boss na pinapahirapan ka. I don't know. Ito ay very specific. Hindi naman to magre-resonate sa lahat. But kung meron kang boss na pinapahirapan ka, I feel like this person may gusto sa'yo. Oo. Hindi para sa lahat, but mararamdaman mo yun eh. Kasi parang itong boss na to, parang pinagtitripan ka, parang pinagdidiskitahan ka. Pwedeng may gusto to sa'yo. Siyempre, kung single kayo pareho, di you'll never know, no? Pero kung kayo ay may mga kanya-kanya ng responsibilidad, commitment, iwas na lang, no? O sa naman, relationship, OMG, ayun na nga, baka iwas kayo sa mga taong bumabalik sa buhay nyo, okay? Kasi, yung person from the past, kaya nga sila nasa past, kasi ibig sabihin hindi nag-workout yung relationship ninyo. So ngayon, anong bago? Kung babalik ka sa kanya, what's in it for you? Diba? Ano yung aasahan mo naman sa taong to? So be very careful. Kasi I see this person as someone who's very controlling. Maaring meron siyang hindi magandang intentions sa kanyang pagbabalik. Okay? Slowly but surely getting ahead. Yes. So, kumbaga, pagpatuloy mo lang yung mga ginagawa mo, yung mga actions towards your goals dahil makakarating ka rin doon. Makukuha mo rin yung resulta na gusto mo. Trouble accusation. So, yun na nga, medyo maging maingat no, sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo kasi pwedeng baliktarin ka pa niyan. Ikaw pa yung may kasalanan, no? Successfully overcoming a problem. So, of course, they can't let you down. Sabi nga, you can never put a good man down. As long as alam mo na ginagawa mo tama, maayos, no? Hindi ka nila mapapabagsak. Ma-overcome mo yan. Hills. Obstacles to overcome. Yeah, tinan mo, meron dito, successfully overcoming a problem, obstacles to overcome. So, possible talaga yung iba sa inyo, may mga challenges. O, diba? Victory. You will be victorious. Someone is extremely stubborn and unwilling to change. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, baka may nagpupumilit na ex na bumabalik, no? Pero wala namang balak magbago for the better. So, iwasan nyo na yan. You have 11th house, Jupiter in Cancer. So, I feel like, ngayong week na to, mas magiging open ka to new friendships, new connections. You will be helping a lot of people, no? Meron kang mga yung mga charitable institutions, charitable work, outreach program this week. Okay? Feelings. Healing begins with feeling. Be gentle with yourself and tender with your heart. Yeah. So, kung merong betrayal na ma-experience ka this week, focus on yourself to heal from that. May mga tao talaga na hindi na pagkakatiwalaan. No? Passion. Light up your life by honoring your deepest desires. Yes. Kumbaga, stay passionate. Ano ba yung interest mo? Saan ka passionate? And yun yung i-follow mo. Okay? With your goals and your dreams. So, I think ayun, mas magiging focus ka sa goals and dreams mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. Bye.